last one that I've got to do. Move this back down to where it should be. I like that a little bit better. All right, I'm going to insert the glasses. My Onshape Fancy Cube glasses. Create a version. Create. Art Studio 1, and it doesn't matter where we put them because we're going to line everything up. Okay, so same as we did on the hexagon, we are going to planar mate the back of the glasses and the front of the front face so that they line up together. Again, if I go to the right side view, you can see that even if I try to pull it out here, they're flat against that that front face. Okay, we're going to use cylindrical mate, and the first one is going to be the cylindrical of gosh, it's just a matter of moving it back. Oh, so close. You know what? I'm going to have to move this off so I can see what I'm doing, because it's grabbing too many other things. So let me move it down here, zoom out a little bit. All right, so cylindrical mate. Now, oh, look how much easier it is to grab that back circle. Back circle, we're going to come up here and we're going to grab the front circle. Green check mark, excellent. Back to isometric. You'll notice that this one is now not connected, so I'm going to move him out, hopefully where I can get to him pretty easily. Cylindrical mate, there it was, look at that. There it is, that center circle. So it's right there, that's the one I want. And this one here, green check mark, everything locks back in. If I grab him, he doesn't move around. And there you go. Super simple. Once you learn the processes, it's pretty easy.